to Siddu Commerce class. In Siddu Commerce class, today I am taking class 11 CBSE accounts, and in this Nahid tutorial in commerce classes I will be starting first with accounts. So let's get started. Chapter 1. What is the meaning and objectives of accounting? So today we are doing meaning and objectives of accounting. Now what is accounting? Why we need accounts? What is the purpose of it? See, every day we do many transactions, okay, but when we are doing business and we don't have any records and what we are doing, for that we need accounts. For anything to do in a systematic manner, we need account. Now what is accounting? It refers to collecting, summarizing, analyzing and reporting the information of business in inventory terms. So randomly, if I say I'm doing some business and I'm a businessman or businesswoman, or somebody has some Ram or Sham has taken some things from me, and he has given 600 rupees, and more it is worth of 1200, and more 600 I have to get it back. For that everything we need a proper collecting and summarizing and analyzing how much I have given, how much he has to give me back. Okay, so collecting, summarizing, analyzing and reporting the information of business in inventory terms. So this is the definition of accounting. So class 11 is the first chapter, and just it is introduction for you. So we'll be just doing basic, and this chapter meaning and objectives of accounting I have divided in two parts. Today I am just taking part 1. Now, what are the characteristics of accounting? Why we need accounting and what are the characteristics of it? It is an art as well as science. Now, we are saying it is art and as well as science. So, art means a proper presentation. So, there are so many teachers, but everyone has a different way of teaching and different way of presentation. So, that is called as a art. Art is an art of presentation. And science is well defined, right? So there will be no changes. So in accounting also we have a well defined principles, and how we are presenting is its art. Now recording of financial transaction. Second thing is recording of financial transaction. So whatever transaction we are doing record. Otherwise, without recording the financial transactions, I have given something to someone and there is no recording of it, then it cannot be a accounting. It cannot be a accounting science. Recording in terms of money. The main thing is we have to record in terms of monetary terms, in terms of money. So and then we classifying, summarizing, we classify like how we have recorded the transaction and the classification of it, summarizing it, and interpretation like how much business we have done, and what are the things we got it back, what were our investments. So like that, interpretation and communication. Communication is presenting. Like if you want, see, loans or something from bank, so we need that everything should be in a clear manner. Now communication means we are communicating things in a proper manner. What? In a well defined manner. Accounting, like what are the transactions, financial terms we have done, and what profit or loss whatever we are getting, so everything in a clear manner. I hope you are clear. What are the objectives of accounting? Now, just now I have explained characteristics. Now what are the objectives? Why? The main objective of accounting is to keep systematic record of business transaction. So why we are keeping systematic record? To know or to calculate it, profit or loss. If we don't keep the systematic record, how we'll know what we are doing in business? Okay, and to ascertain our financial position, whether we are running the business in profit or whether we are running in the business in loss. So for that we should know it in a clear manner. So to ascertain financial position, to check the progress of business. Without accounting we won't be able to know clearly what we are doing, what are the uh, whether what is our financial position, and if we don't know anything, then how can we check the progress of our business? Like how can we compare in 2018 what were we doing and what we are doing in now 2019? Okay, and to provide information to various parties. Before also I have said that when we want loans or anything, so they need our financial records. So with our balance sheets, these terms you'll be knowing later. So whether we got the profit or loss, so they should know our financial position well. Then only we can approach for the loans, for the creditors, and for different purposes. Now, types of accounting. How many types of accounting are there? First and main is financial accounting. So in this CBSE 11th and 12th, we are mainly dealing with the financial accounting. What I said that is recorded in terms of money, monetary terms. Cost accounting, like cost per unit, what we are doing, that we won't be touching much in 11th and 12th. But main is our financial accounting. Now tax accounting for tax purposes, and social responsibility accounting. What is social responsibility accounting? When we are doing business, we have some social responsibility towards our society. So that is called as a social responsibility accounting. So in this part 1, I hope just you we concluding I'm concluding with the basics of this, and part 2 will be knowing some more terms, but from chapter 2 onwards we'll be knowing the main accounting terms. So I hope you are clear. So thank you, and let's meet in next class with meaning and objectives of accounting part 2. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.